According to China EV Post, NIO has introduced expanded benefits to boost sales in December. New buyers can now enjoy 5 years of free access to NIO's assisted driving software, Navigate on Pilot Plus, up from 3 years previously. Battery as a service customers will receive one bill waiver after every 3 payments, with a maximum of 15 waivers, compared to 12 previously. For trade-in buyers, NIO is offering 20 free battery swap experiences. Additionally, returning customers purchasing specific models like the ET5 or ES6 will receive discounts of $690 or $1,380, depending on the model. Those buying the ET7 Executive Edition this month can opt for a discounted Napa leather interior at half price, reducing its cost to $725. In November, NIO delivered 20,575 vehicles, up 28.9% year-over-year but down 1.9% from October. The company's main brand saw a slight decline, while its Onvo sub-brand grew by 17.7%. NIO aims to deliver 72,000 to 75,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter, requiring at least 30,449 deliveries in December to meet its target. Full-year deliveries are projected to reach up to 224,000 vehicles. You are listening to Yuan News.